No, no, no.
It's not going.
It was still going.
Motherfucker.
Yeah, yeah.
And we've been working hard, so if you hating hard, it's a loss you can find.
Yeah, what is up, y'all? We are right now in Boca, Florida. We are at the Redcon 1 gym. You know, if you guys are following me on TikTok, y'all know I pulled up on a certain somebody. You gonna get out of the car, or you just gonna stay in the car?
Get out of the car?
I mean, you can stay in the car if you want to stay in the car. So we are gonna smash legs today. Dimitri's gonna be here. This is like his home gym. And then if you guys have heard of Jackson McDonald, I actually ran into him last night when we went out. But
A raw gear.
code.
J.
So we got the quad father. She thinks she can keep up. It's free smoke. You ready to die?
Yep.
Let's get to it. Team Rise, baby. Get it all, get it all. So we almost got the full plantation here.
I mean, Zay never shows up on time. But he's not coming today. So.
Yeah, he's not coming. He don't want to hit legs. He don't want to hit legs. But we're gonna run it. What time is it right now? Fuck, it's 3:25. I gotta be at the airport around like 7:45, 8. So we'll see. But we're gonna have some fun. Probably go. I don't even know what we're gonna do. We're just gonna send it. Why don't you tell me?
Zay's quads are really small and he's scared to get worked.
She said it, not me.
All the way down. Come on, matey. That's too light. You need about 7 of them hoes. Drop the LCS. Come on, Lil. Come on. Yeah. Let's go!
Already?
Let's go!
What the fuck? I got stuck.
Already? Already?
Nigga, you see me? I'm dripping.
Nigga, already?
That shit.
That was embarrassing.
I'm proud. You don't understand. That's.
It wasn't good.
You failed.
Yeah, I know I failed, but it was not good.
Now you gotta keep that energy for the rest of the workout.
Okay.
Come on, nah. Run that shit. Run that shit. Fuck you thought it was. Heels.
Master ain't prepared me for that.
That boy gonna be ready to work a double shift now. The cart is gonna be crazy.
That cotton gonna be crazy.
Alright, so that's like 2 real sets.
Yeah.
Really 3.
Feeling good. Easy.
Easy, how like it?
Feel amazing. So fresh. Yeah.
I can barely walk. And we got this cool looking shirt up. What you got there, man? What's that say?
Let's see the vibes. Black Hulk.
Hold up, let me get a focus shot. Yeah.
Black Hulk.
Yeah.
Let's see the vibes.
Yeah.
Just wait till I get my diet water.
Yeah.
Overall.
What else?
Now let's die.
What else?
I'm ready to die. I'm ready to kill.
Yes, sir. That's the mentality.
A few moments later.
Come on. Quiet it.
My head. Okay. We're good. I just got the worst headache in the middle of that. Wait a minute. My head.
Hey, she's fucking killing it. Like she's out here doing it.
What? Huh? You're saying that?
What'd you say?
I'm not gonna throw up.
You said you might throw
Not
up
me.
for one exercise?
Dude, my head. Something just like popped.
You get separation in the hamstrings, man. Come on, Liv. The leg pressure's too low. Like I was watching where I was ending. I was like, if I go to failure, like I'm gonna get my shit folded. Don't lock the knees. Drive! Drive! Smart. What's that, baby?
I feel like I got more plates.
Then why'd you stop?
Well, no, I got.
Why did you stop?
No, I got 21 reps, and then that was like it. But I want to hit like 12 reps, where I'm like.
So did you have more?
Tail.
How many more reps did you have?
As you just said, how it's gonna come crashing down.
I left like one in the tank.
You had like 3 more than that.
Without like me pushing my legs all the way and me bringing my arms involved, super? I don't think so.
How many reps did you hit?
I don't count. I just go. Just go. Stop counting. Oh,
I'm not sitting.
Want to get up. How you feeling?
How am I start? I'm good. Easy.
I'm not gonna cap for the camera. I feel like death.
Yeah, she's full of shit. She was just sitting on the ground. I go and grab the camera. She wants to stand up and start smiling. Cap. Where'd you go?
On the yak.
Did you yak?
I didn't. I need to. I need to.
I knew it. I'm like, yo. I'm sitting here, I'm like, yo, where did this boy Dimitri go? I thought he was getting water. I was like, oh my God. That boy throwing up. Well, it's your motherfucking set. Oh my shit. Three, 4, 5, 6. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You put it on 80. That was 5 seconds. 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wrap it. Come on. Everything you got. Keep it going. Everything. Come on, Lynn. Come on, you got more. No, 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 no. It's still moving. Come on. It's still moving. Yeah. Just wrap it up. I know it sucks. Yeah.
Now.
Get those
Boom.
Nice little quad pump stuff. Shaking. I'm good. My teeth are like numb right now. I don't know why.
Cool town. Alright, y'all, so can we focus on me? So we finished the majority of the workout. I got a little unupset. Jackson McDonald was here. I forgot to bust out my camera. I took some pictures with him. But we were gonna like lunge or Bulgarian split squat. But it kinda is what it is. But now, we finished this superset. Now we're gonna die. I call these halves. Basically, you're gonna start on the weight. You're gonna run it for as much as you can. You drop the weight in half. Run it for as much as you can. Drop it in half until there's absolutely nothing left. And then I may hit a little bit of adductors to get a pump, and then measure my legs. Just because I always measure my legs. How are you feeling?
Amazing. Best workout.
Full of shit. You can see her when the camera's off.
No, something like popped in my head on the hack squat. I've had a headache this whole time, but
Pussy.
no, we're good. We're good. I'm pushing through. Okay.
I'm gonna beat you with a cast iron skillet. Nigga.
You ready to run this shit?
I'm gonna beat you with a cast iron skillet.
You know what we're doing? You know what I mean when I say we're doing halves?
I think so. Up, halfway down, up, full one.
No. What you're gonna do is as much weight as you want, for as many as you can. You drop the weight in half. Do it for as many as you can. And we're gonna drop it in half again until you can't drop it anymore.
I'm gonna hit you as hard as Francis hit Stipe.
6.5 hours later.
Fight it.
Fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. I can barely do it without no fucking weight. Oh, my God.
He's cramping tonight on his way home. Sitting spirit just like this. And then you gotta move.
How long was that? That was long as fuck. Fuck. No.
It's not going.
It was still going.
Motherfucker.
Yeah. It's still moving. You just got another one, so we're still going. Yeah, motherfucker, there's 2 of them. Yeah. Now you drop.
Or how much?
Half. Yeah. Keep it going. Keep it going. You don't need that. Come on, Liv. Come on. Take that hanger out of the machine. Stop fucking yelling at me and move the weight. Come on. It's still moving. Up. Run it.
Go Liv. Go Liv.
Keep it going. Come on. Come on. It's still moving. Everything you got, Liv. Hold it.
Go Liv.
Keep going. Hold it. You're only at 2.5 minutes. I made it to 5.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Yeah. You are. Yes, you are. Hold it. 5 more.
5 more. Hold it. Come on. Get it. 5 more. Yes. Yes. Come on. You only got 3 minutes, 30 seconds. Yes. Get it. Come on. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Come on. One last one if you can hold it. No. Get that bitch back up.
Let's go, Liv.
Hold it. Hold it. Fight it. Get it. Yeah. Second wins. Okay. Get it. Let's go. Huh?
A little sweaty. It's fun.
She wanted niggas to run a pacer test.
Yeah, nigga, what? Nigga, what?
Imagine.
I'll pick cotton first.
So how are we feeling? You kind of finished.
Feel my legs again. I don't like it. I feel bad. Feel good. Good.
She ran that shit though. That was impressive. Pretty hot too. I'm proud.
I feel cool.
Brother, you'd ask him to do that again?
Alright y'all, that was the end of the workout. Ooh. We did a little bit of posing upstairs. We filmed some TikToks and shit. Let's get the post-workout interview from everybody. I filmed the dog.
I'm alive, but I'm dead. I'll train like
That's the first workout with me, right?
first leg day.
First leg day, yeah.
I mean, people have been waiting for it. They killed me for sure. It also didn't help that I ate gummy worms before, and a protein bar, and I cheated on my diet. Give a fuck though, because I'm still losing weight.
I had a lot of fun. I liked it.
You liked it?
Yeah.
You kept up.
Thank
Definitely
you.
got the crown for the best. The coon activity. You matched the energy.
Thank you.
She
Thank
did.
you.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for sure.
10 out of 10. Good work.
Thank you.
Well, I need to go back to her place to shower because I leave in like 3 hours. So, we kind of fucked up. I didn't film as much content as I wanted to, but we got this one video for y'all, so y'all better be grateful. Alright, y'all, so I'm back in Dallas. I was just finished up the edit. Well, at least part of the edit. And I'm like, I didn't even film an outro. Like, bruh, absolute lacking. But I had a lot of fun in Florida. We definitely cheated on our diet and enjoyed spring break a little bit on Saturday. But y'all let me know how Olivia did. She low-key outworked Dimitri. You know, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm just gonna leave that as is. But she might be coming back to Dallas here soon. You never know. You never know. Maybe not. But I'm gonna link her Instagram and stuff, her TikTok. Go show her some love. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this edit. I edited it a little bit differently. Y'all been running up the code, supporting your boy crazy. And as always, it's been real. It's been trill. It's your boy Jay Lane. And go chase your motherfucking dreams.